The University of Rwanda, headquarters in here. Oh, you're everybody stand up, man. Stand up. Come on. Why don't we say, everybody stand up. Umunota uri kurangira ntugikinisha amafaranga sibyo se umunota umwe n'ibinaniro udasa yari sibyo abana bazana ya twagiye tutangiye kubara umunota umwe twagiye wa
uburyo umunota kwanduramo sida igihe utahuje amaraso n'umuntu yifite igihe utakoresha agakingirizo
in English I am in English, man. You guys, you are in campus. Come on, guys. Okay, in French, in English, in Swahili. Murikuvuga no kandi n'icyongereza. In English. Muvuga oya byubuze menye ko mutakizi. In English. That's my station, man. Wanna show every day, man, every day. You know what I mean? I'm going to TVB did that. You're going to TVB. I'm telling you about TVB. Come on. I must pick up for you, man. You're going to run with you all day. You're not going to get touch you. Aye. Yeah, he's a man. I'll give it to you. Some of you. Put it in it. No, ikiza nyaro mukomera amashuri cyane ubuyobozi wa kaminuza yacu ya amashuri cyane no amashuri cyane legendary himself, T to the L to the A to the C to the L O S E Tom Clark. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. tugomba kujya muri Mutual Insurance. Mutual Insurance bimufashamo amashanyarazi. Yes, all the Mutual Insurance hapa utawish na kuvura vuvu. Mmoja wa maswala ni Vipers man. Thank you so much.
abantu batarayumva ni album y'indirimbo 13 ziri mu rurimi rw'icyongereza. Hano turi iwabo w'ubwenge, nizere yuko abatarayumva bajya kuri YouTube hanyuma bakayireba bakayumva bagasiga comment, sibyo? Tutangira show. Murashaka kubyinira? Murashaka kubyina? Twagiye.
Now, this young superstar, he comes all the way from Killer Music, baby. Nelly fucking Nelly came all the way from Killer Music, baby. What's up?
Kari kumugoryi wa chini.
Isango Star munyemerere man iyo niyo radio ya mbere yifashe iravuga iti irahemba abahanzi okay Elia please can you come save it not in okay amashukuri Elia from Isango Star man yeah man kale sasa
bravo iwara umeze umeze neza nanjye ntabwo ndenze umunota umwe ni umuyobozi w'amakuru n'ibiganiro ku Isango Star radio na televiziyo. Okay, twishimiye cyane kuza hano muri Rwanda. Ni ikintu Isango Star mu by'ukuri twishimiye cyane, twatekerejeho neza kandi ntabwo mwadutengushye, mwaje kubana natwe. Niyo maso mu izina ry'ubuyobozi bwa radio na televiziyo Isango Star ndabashimiye cyane cyane. Reka hasigaye dukomeze dutarame, sibyo?
ntabwo twavana nta muntu wigana utuganije ya kaminuza y'u Rwanda ya Permanente wewe come on Permanente yeah man brother okay play come on play the song play the one song I'm actually from Bramuzi okay so hello huya umezamute mama mutashusha let's go ukanami zake suku wala suku nukuri suku let's go let it hit Listen now. Arumujamutwa Geoffrey. Uriya ntabwo twagira kaminuza nk'iyi dufite abayobozi. Geoffrey, I give you 1 minute. Please come here. How much space have you got for now? Oh my God. Umukomere mu mashyi nk'aho. Urabona ko abanyeshuri bose badukunda. Uzavano, uve meya, mu myaka 10 muzajye mumwibuka sibyo cyose mubwira akantu gato iri bisita ajya kumwishingiza cyose thank you so thank you ikintu cya mbere ndishimye ko turwanira buri gihe entertainment I know you are happy now ikindi kintu ndashimira Isango Star twabakiriye neza ariko no muri international kuri kinyamakuru zatwakira ndashimira abahanzi bose baciye hano Tom Close yaciye hano abahanzi ndashimira Karixte ntabwo nabura kukamuga uyu muntu niwe organizinze bino bintu from day one niwe wamamagaye usaba ko twabahereza n'amanini auditorium kandi twarabafashije kandi namwe muradufasha so thank you Timo thank you banzishimire neza MC Timo ndagushimiye cyane uyu ni umu MC wahereye kera from KFM thank you man abashaje kuri DJ Kafuri uyu mwana ndamwana azaje nawe ababakurikiranye amabit competition n'umwana ku myaka ya 20 afite 28 amafaranga afite arasha imyaka ye kaza akabona iminota ibiri wadukubita amakanda iminota babari kiyo kwakira gusa iminota ibiri niwakuruke mwicare Alex iminota ibiri okay iminota ibiri dusate 2 minutes come on Uyibare 2 minutes Come on. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, Thank you so much. Thank you for granted, man. I love you so much. You guys were the next leaders, okay? You're the next doctors, engineers. Why do we got governor? You get it? When I'm going to tell you, Martin Fernand. When I'm going to tell you. No, Martin Fernand, you. Martin Fernand, come on. Come on. Siapa ni kita utareza mitra. So, tulikuwa na Obicho Insurance Company. Hiyo company ukisomea shule abafite company maduka no ana ufite ama shops sira wasema ya no sira kuri sika ya kabiri kandawa oyo my God ache mirongo tano umusaza acha senga tumini Mungkin mazina watangaza connection yo muri nibyangana kunadia kuliko bikora ni kwenda nibyanga umuntu sabata asene patulise nabise kuzingoma unyama kwitwa Emio kugiye.com arambwiye ngo Tino urumukene ukoresha network n'imici we afite amafaranga ya Emi amashoye cyane kugiye.com Emio kugiye.com akira amane nawe ikindi kintu ushyiramo imbaraga wiga ibintu bijyanye na insurance ari insurance n'iki insurance ubwishingizi Everybody stand up. stand up, man. We're gonna have a good fucking show. Right now. Motherfucking show. Motherfucking show. Right now. Order. The crazy motherfucking movie, man. You don't know this right now. Pesa tuende sina man. Because of the chicken is a senior. Let's use a condom. Let's use a condom to prevent. And of course, what about all these people? We want to first dig his shoot. We want everybody to know Alpha Entertainment. We want parking. We get it together. It's Southwest Star. The number on radio and TV station. It's Southwest Star. It's John Park. We have parking guys here. Ladies and gentlemen, we got your phone. I'm calling MC to the INO. Get ready and do the show. Yeah, what's up? Somebody to guys, everybody. 3, 2, 1. Lucinda! Versace, tirashaka chipaka mapape. Uremozi misate, tunapujua puta na sate. Tuku, kushoto kulia, unakubi tukunda badila. Mama mia, mtoso, kasa, mama ni sisi. Yeah. Cut the shit out. DJ, cut the shit out. Yeah, cut the shit out. Yeah, let's do it. Push it down. Push it down. Push it down. Come here, man. How much I said to you today, man? And listen. My young brother, listen to the graduation right now. We need some message from you. Let me just able to, like, tell them to stop. Yes, sir. Life is good. Life is good. Life is good, man. We should go. I was just sorry.